Introducing the SuperEndo Sonic Flush Endo Irrigator. A precision tool designed for efficient and safe endodontic irrigation. The package is thoroughly organized and includes a sonic irrigator handpiece, a user manual guide for proper use and maintenance, and 100 disposable protector sleeves to prevent cross-contamination, ensuring patient safety and infection control. It also includes a set of 120 soft-tip irrigator tips in 3 sizes. A base is provided to securely hold the handpiece, keeping it organized, hygienic, and easily accessible. To operate the device, simply insert the battery into the handpiece by rotating the battery access cap anti-clockwise. This allows for convenient battery replacement, ensuring uninterrupted performance and keeping the unit ready for operation at all times. The irrigator features an on and off switch on the back side, a 3-intensity switch on the front side, and a battery access cap located at the bottom. The 120 soft irrigator tips are strong and feature a smooth, non-cutting feeder surface. They are disposable, securely attached to the handpiece without the risk of apical extrusion, and are made from medical-grade polymer. The tips snap onto the handpiece securely, ensuring stability during irrigation. The sizes are color-coded: yellow for small, red for medium, and blue for large. The controlled angle handpiece and adjustable motor speeds provide excellent access and control, allowing clinicians to navigate complex canals with precision. The irrigator operates at 3 speed modes: 6,000 cycles per minute, 8,000 cycles per minute, and 12,000 cycles per minute. During operation, the sonic irrigator delivers energy to the tip, creating cavitation and acoustic streaming. This enhances debridement, disrupts the smear layer, and improves disinfection in lateral canals, ensuring thorough cleaning and safe debris removal. The 3 speed modes are demonstrated sequentially. The SuperEndo Sonic Flush Endo Irrigator combines efficiency, safety, and superior canal debridement for every endodontic procedure. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.